Greetings and welcome back to the lab. I had a thought, something I wanted to try as an experiment real quick. I had these that were giving me so much trouble, and I thought, I wonder if there is a way I can use my soldering iron to fix the problem I've been having. So I'm going to try this particular one, and the thought I had was if I grab my iron and going from the front of the bezel, try and melt it just a little bit. The objective here is to get it like that little dimple in there. Now I need to turn up the iron a bit because this stuff is kind of tough. That's good to know. See. Give it a moment to come up to temperature. We're at about 350 C. And see if this stuff will melt. The reason I'm going from the front and sliding like that is because I want to, I don't want anything protruding out of the front here to prevent it from sliding all the way in, but I'm hoping that that little dimple will also force a little bit of material up and make it that much tighter. It's an unpleasant smell. Probably not all that healthy for me. Let's see what this iron can do. I can get it. Where is my little locator there? That should be 400 now. And I got to remember to clean off the iron so that doesn't interfere with other things later. Or smelled that smell before. Oh. I wonder how dangerous this stuff really is. Can't be too much worse than a broken neck. All right, 450. Let it get up to temperature. Really be careful of my hands. There we go. We get a slight raise there. That's good. Let's see. How do I do this and keep my hand as far away as possible? The same on the other side. These dark spots should be hidden. As long as there's no follow-up to this from the hospitals. Of course, that would mean I'd have to edit this one and the follow-up. All right, let's clean the tip. And turn the temperature back down so I don't forget later. Back down to about 300. Get out the that wasn't enough. Well, I will keep thinking about it. I may come up with another solution, but the key is to not hurt myself doing it. And when I finally give up or succeed, I will box this up and put it aside. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.